Hey everybody, Will here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace a side mirror assembly on your vehicle. Today we'll be changing the side mirror on a 2007 Chevy Impala, but procedures will vary, so be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open the hood and disconnect the negative battery cable. Open the door on the side where you'll be installing the new mirror. The main panel on the inside of your door includes various trim pieces and fasteners that you'll need to remove in order to gain access to the inside of the door. Use the tools necessary to remove those trim pieces and fasteners so that the main panel can be lifted off. Remove the main door panel. Disconnect any wires or wiring harnesses attached to the panel. Once any wires and cables are detached, you can set your door panel to the side. Now you can disconnect the side mirror's wiring harness. Loosen the fasteners securing the side mirror. Remove the fasteners the rest of the way by hand, securing the mirror itself with your other hand. Once those fasteners are removed, you should be able to remove the old mirror from the vehicle. Thread the harness of your new mirror in through its opening and the studs through their openings. Reinstall the fasteners securing the side mirror assembly and make sure they're snug but not over-tightened. Reconnect the mirror's wiring harness. Reattach any wires and harnesses to the main door panel and reinstall the panel. Secure the panel using the fasteners you removed earlier. Reinstall any trim pieces you removed. Close the door. Reattach the negative battery cable and close the hood. And that's it. You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. And be sure to subscribe so you'll see all our new video content. We'll see you again soon.